Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic, safe stock market tips. Whether you're new to investing or looking to refine your strategy, these tips will help you navigate the stock market with confidence and minimize risks. Tip 1. Research before investing. The first tip is all about research. Before you invest in any stock, take the time to research the company's financials, performance history, and future outlook. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Tip 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries. This lowers the impact of a single stock's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Tip 3. Invest for the long term. Investing for the long term is a safe strategy. It allows you to weather short-term market fluctuations and benefit from compounding growth over time. Identify stocks with strong fundamentals that align with your long-term goals. Tip 4. Choose established companies. Opt for established companies with a proven track record. These companies are more likely to have stable earnings and withstand market volatility. Look for brands that have been around for a while and continue to innovate. Tip 5. Stay informed. Stay updated on market trends and news. This helps you make timely decisions based on current events that can impact stock prices. Knowledge is your best defense against unexpected market moves. Bonus tip: risk management. And now for our bonus tip, risk management. Determine the amount of money you're comfortable investing and stick to it. Avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. Setting stop-loss orders can also protect your investments from significant losses. In conclusion, safe stock market tips are essential for any investor. By researching, diversifying, and focusing on the long term, you can navigate the market confidently. Remember to choose established companies and stay informed about market trends. And most importantly, practice effective risk management to protect your investments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more valuable insights. Happy and safe investing!